Getting ready.
Okay, man. We used to hit 100.
You tired, B?
No, I'm about to hit a few more in a second.
You gonna hit some more?
Yep. About to hit some more. Alright, you ready?
You ready? Let's see.
Feeling close.
Show them what Zeke used to do. LK gonna watch it. LK gonna see this. I'll put this on YouTube.
We're gonna hit some wide.
This is officially your promo video.
Promo. This is a promo workout video.
Oh yeah, tell people to watch you.
Gotta watch me on Divas Takeover. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna see all this plus more.
Show us a preview short.
Huh?
Show the preview.
So the preview?
Yeah.
You gonna see all this.
Shit. Watch it. Watch it.
All that action. All that.
Let me see. Hold on. Let me see. What the action?
You gonna see all that peak
Whoa.
action. All
Zoom
that,
in.
All that peak
like
action.
Nola used to do.
Yeah. All that
Whoa.
peak action. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's hit
The
some
muscles.
wide. That's right.
Let's see. Who does a promo video like this? What kind of promo video is this, B?
It's a workout promo.
This how you get ready for the scene. Your muscles ain't got nothing to do with the scene. That look pretty good though.
Yeah. Watch Divas Takeover. Let's go.
Let's do it.